In this video, we are continuing with the volumes and surface areas of solids. So first we are discussing the cylinders. We will solve the sums based on the cylinders here. Now, he's saying that the weight of a solid cylinder whose radius is 10.5 centimeter and height is 60 centimeter, we have to find the weight of the solid cylinder. If the material of the cylinder weighs 5 grams per cubic centimeter, that means he wants us to calculate the total weight of this solid cylinder. Now, how do we do that? We will calculate the volume of this cylinder, and then one material weighs 5 grams per cubic centimeters. We'll calculate the total cubic centimeters this cylinder is having, then multiply that by 5 in order to get the total weight of this solid cylinder. So let's proceed to do that. Let's first write the data. What is the data? Radius is given 10.5 centimeters and height is given 60 centimeters. So we know that the volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So let's substitute the values. 22 by 7. My radius is 105. I'm removing the decimal. Into 105 divided by 10 into height is 60. So 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are. Then 5 threes are 5 twos are. 2 11s are. Here 5 twos are, 5 ones are, 5 twos are. 2 30s are. So finally I am left with 11 here, 3 here. You have to be very careful. You should not miss any of the numbers. 21 into 30. So my volume is 33 into 21 into 30. So V is equal to 33. 3 ones are 3, 2s are 6, 630. So finally my volume is 2079 cubic centimeters. Now I have to find the total weight. So total weight of this solid cylinder is equal to its volume into weight per cubic centimeter. So total weight is equal to volume I have found 2079 into 5, but he is saying grams per cubic centimeter. So if I want to convert this into kilograms, I should divide this by 1000. So total weight is equal to 9 fives are 45, 4 carry, 7 fives are 35 and 4 is 39, 5 twos are 10 divided by this 1000. So my total weight of the solid cylinder is 10 again, right? Why? Because this is 630 into 33 is 790. Sorry, this is 0 here. 63 into 33 is 2079 and there is one more 0 here, which makes it 20790 cubic centimeters. So 20790 into 5 by 1000 is this. So 103.95 kilograms is the total weight of this solid cylinder. Okay. Now another situation. In this question, he is talking about a cylindrical tank and he's saying that the capacity of this cylindrical tank is 6160 meter cube. What do we mean by capacity? Capacity is another name for the volume. So in other words, he is saying that the volume of the tank is 6160 meter cube. You should be able to identify the data from the question. Capacity means volume. So volume of this tank is 6160 meter cube. Now he wants us to find its depth. So what is depth? Depth is height. That's what we have to find. If its radius is 4 meters, so radius is given, 14 meters. He also wants us to find the cost of painting its curved surface area. Curved surface means the outer surface, not the total surface, right? It means that excluding this and this, the circular part here and the circular part here, that means this part only, right? So this part is 2 pi RH, that means we have to find the area and then multiply that by 30, because the cost per meter square is rupees 30. So whatever curved surface area we will get, we will multiply that by 30 in order to get the total cost. So let's first find this H. Now volume is given. So we know that volume is equal to pi r square H, right? So I have 6160 is equal to 22 by 7 into r is 14 into 14 into H, which I have to calculate. Do not multiply directly at the first instant. Till the end you should not multiply, because something will get simplified. You have to simplify it first. So let's cross multiply. I'll get 6160 into 7 and these 3 will come down. 22 into 14 into 14, and that's my H, right? Okay, now let's start solving it. 7 2s are 14, then 2 3s are, 2 8s are, and 0, right? Again 2 1s are, 2 5s are, 2 4s are, and this 0, right? And 2 7s are. Now will it go with 11? Yes. 11 1s are, 11 4s are 0, and 11 2s are. This will go by 7, 7 2s are 20. Now I am left with H is equal to 20 by 2. So 2 10s are. So I have found the value of H as 10 meters. Fine. Be very careful when you are doing these calculations. Now he wants me to find the total cost of painting its curved surface area. So I need to find the curved surface area first, and I know that curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH. So curved surface area is 2 into 22 by 7, R is 14, and H I have found 10. So this goes 7 2s are 14. So curved surface area is 44 into 2 is 88, and this 10 is 880 sorry, this is meter. Look at the units also, meter square, because this is area, so unit of area is meter square. Now you have to find the total cost of painting. Cost of painting will be curved surface area into cost per meter square. So that is 880 into 30, because he is saying that 30 per meter square. So how much is that? 2 zeros, 3 8s are 24, 2 3 8s are 24, 25, 26. So rupees 26400.